Krishna, inside some noise is coming.
Just a second. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, Krishna.
Yes, Krishna.
Recording has been started. Yesterday we were discussing about product master data and customer master data. Did you practice location master data or any other master data? Sorry, customer master data or any other master data? Did you practice join conditions and lookup conditions? Guys, yes, no, maybe.
No, Krishna.
No,
For
Krishna.
me,
I'll
we
do
have to.
it. I'll do it today or tomorrow. I'll do it.
Yeah, Prakash, something you're saying?
Yeah, I don't have a time to practice. So today or tomorrow we'll practice and get back to you if you have any doubts comes in mind.
Okay.
Yeah, and one more thing, Krishna. So is there any possibility to move this session like evening times?
Evening it is not possible because I'm from 3 p.m. right. I have
Acha,
project
acha.
calls
Okay.
and till
Okay, okay.
11 p.m. I'm stuck up with office work actually.
Okay, acha. Okay. Can you please recap our lookup condition once? Actually, I'm not planning that day. So even I didn't go through the sessions. Just like or definition something. Can just
Yeah,
recap the
sure.
lookup. Yeah, thank you, thank you. That's it, my.
Yeah. So generally lookup function is used to pull the value from taking pull the value from one field based upon the common field in another table. So generally we use inner join conditions, right? So lookup is also a type of inner join condition, but inner joins can be performed when we are taking the source as only one system. But here if you take a flat file and s4, we know here only one source and one source system and one target system can be selected. So if you want to pull the data from two source systems, we need to select this
Lookup.
lookup function. Let me create a task and show you how the lookup works. So this is a lookup already which we have created. what we are doing in this lookup function. So from product master data, I have one from Mara table. For Mara table, I am getting the product master data, and from a flat file, I have product ID and product description. I want to pull. Just a second, guys. Is there any problem with the Skype? Everyone is getting joined and disconnected.
Yeah, only today I faced Krishna. Till yesterday it was fine. I don't know it's my internet connection or with the Skype.
Hi Krishna, Deepa can't see your screen and also can't hear your voice.
I think Krishna is speaking on mute.
I don't know, there is a problem with Deepa side or I don't know. She can't hear.
Hello, can you hear me, guys? Shravani, you're
Yeah,
saying
Krishna.
something.
Yeah, I can hear Krishna, but Deepa is having some problem, so she left and again she will join. She's having some, I don't know, she can't see your screen and she can't hear your voice.
Is it the same with you, Money, or anyone?
No, Krishna, I can see your screen. I can hear your voice.
Great,
Yeah,
great. Yeah. So no issues from my side. Okay. Okay. So Prakash, so generally, what is a lookup function? Let's take two in an inner joint. We use matnr as a common field, key field, and we write the logic saying that if matnr of Mara is equal to matnr of maktx, pull the makt, then pull the product ID and product description. Here, what we are doing, let's go through the lookup function. Lookup. What we are doing, we are just we are just taking Mara table. We are not taking MKT table. What we are doing, we are pulling the data from flat file. So here we need to create an field with the product description. You can create a field in this output panel. Just write the product description here, and how to do the lookup. Just perform. You should have a file or the table on which you want to perform the lookup. Let me delete this and show you again. What is the table name? Okay, product ID. What I am doing, I have a flat file. From that flat, in that flat file, I have product ID and product description. Now I want to have, excuse me, what I'll do, I'll just create a PRD description, capstone 16. Here you in the transform mapping, you will click on mapping. Just a second, let me first copy this matnr. Lookup, lookup. select the data store name from which you want to do the have the flat file. So I'll just do it from reagent folder, flat file. We'll select the flat file in which we have the data, and we'll select what is the result column. The result column is product description. So this is our result column. You want to data in the product description, right? Then we need to select the target result column as whatever in which we need to update the data. Next column, compare column, product ID is equals to matnr of mara table. Click on OK. This is how the lookup table is populated. And every time when you see this type of symbol, it is lookup table.
Okay.
Next it will be same. Then copy to the target and just map it. Click on done. Click on done. It is done. Now you can run the job and check the data. So basically what we are doing here, we are just pulling, instead of getting it from source, there are two different source systems. One is from flat file, one is from S4 system. So we are calling the lookup function in between the transform and pulling that data from the table or Excel file. That is the use of Excel lookup function.
Okay. Got it now. Thank you.
Let's see this. Validation of database object. Okay, just a second. Let me set up the unified planning area. Okay. Yeah, it is successful, but with some rejections. Let me go to IBP and see what are the rejections for. So they have three rejections. Let's see what are the rejections for. Yeah, some special characters are there in attribute, so that's the reason it is not able to pull the data. So we have some special characters filter in CIDS. We will discuss that filter going forward. So at that time we will understand how to remove the special characters. Okay, that is about lookup. Now let's go and see, create a task for transactional data. So first let's see, pull the data from S4 to flat file. Again from flat file we will be sending it to IBP. Clear?
Yes,
Okay,
Krishna.
Krishna.
TD underscore actuals. Guys, you need to practice. If you don't practice, if you go to transactional data, if without practicing master data, you will forget master data, because this is completely different. Transactional data always is loaded on base planning level. Actuals quantity, actuals revenue. First, let's say the actuals quantity. If you see this flow, it is saying the data is pulled from LIPS table and LIKP table. Now let's create a Excel sheet. Let's create an what are the source tables? LIKS, LIKP. Okay, let's, instead of first discussing deep into S4 to IBP, first let's see what is base planning level. So base planning level is the planning level at which we load transactional data. Like if you want to load actuals quantity, or delivered delivery quantity, orders, right? We need to, these are the key figure types of key figures, like the example of order. So if you want to define an order, what all details you need, what all master data details you will be required to discuss about an order.
Order ID we need.
Your voice is very low. Who is speaking?
Order ID, Krishna.
Your voice is
Hello.
very low. Money, can you just a second? Yeah, can you repeat that?
Order ID.
Okay, order ID. No, you but
Order.
no, you placed an order in Amazon. It got
Mm,
delivered to you.
mm,
What all
yeah.
details it will consist of?
Quantity,
It will, I mean, like order ID, price of the product.
Okay, still.
number of the quantity we can consider.
Okay,
Order name, I mean, a description or name of the product.
okay. Here you are. First will be product. To define the product, we will be taking the key field, that is product ID. Next,
Product description will have.
why do we need description in this
Product name,
transaction?
maybe. Product name.
That all details will be having in product table, right?
Mm.
Why do we need that in order table? So generally for one each order, what is the product ID, who is the customer ID will declare the customer. Next, at what location it is getting delivered, and delivery date, or that is called as key figure date. So in transactional data, while we are sending any transactional data, like order or except or order ID will not be there. Directly you will have order number, like order quantity, to delivery date 13/08/2024, location ID 123, customer ABC, product XYZ. So XYZ product bought by ABC customer at the location 123 on this date. What is the quantity? 2. So this is called as the base planning level. The level at which we will be sending the data is known as base planning level. Simple example, price. So if you want to update the price of a product, what all you need? Product details, that is product ID, location details, because it is price is always location specific. In some areas they may give it as 30 rupees, in some areas they may give it as 35 rupees. So location ID, customer, even for customer to customer sometimes it changes. So at what level they want to pull the data, that is known as base planning level.
Krishna, so what you're telling now is like like for a transactional data load or unload, for example, I mean inbound for example, in IBP we will go to model configuration planning area and then we will give the key figure and we can see the mandatory fields what we need to consider for the task. That is what you're saying, like the base planning level, right?
Mandatory fields is IBP, but
Hmm.
once before we are, yes, that is the topic is same, but the thing is we never feel on. See, sometimes what happen, even though it is not part of base planning level, it may be a mandatory field
Yeah,
within
yeah,
IBP.
but yeah, correct. But whatever fields that we have to map in a task will be given in our functional document, no, Krishna?
Yes, FSD only it will be provided.
Okay.
That is called not mapping or required fields. Those are called, that is called base planning level. People
Mm,
generally consultants experience in the interviews, they will ask at what
mm,
level you will be loading the data into transactional data into IBP. You need to say at base planning level. What is the planning level? The date on which date, what is the product, what is the location, where is the location, and who is the customer, what is the price.
okay.
This gives the combination of transactional data. Each transactional data every time should be the combination of master data IDs. Without
Okay.
master data, so if you say number, I'll say actuals quantity to 2. Now for actuals quantity 2, what is the 2? For what it is actuals quantity? It should be for some products, for some location, for the requirement only, right? That's why whenever we are sending the transactional data, we will be sending it at base planning level.
Okay.
Clear on this base planning level topic?
Yes, Krishna.
Okay, let's prepare a document now. Excel. Can someone ping me the RDP password? What I'm going to do, product PRDID, CUSTID, log ID, date, quantity. 1 2 3 3 4 5 5 6 7 7 8 9 9 0 1 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. ABC def type L O. So see, this is one of our flat file where we are taking it as source. Actuals is saved. Now who is going to do me the favor of creating a data store for source, creating a data store for target, and creating it from both from sample? Who want to do it? Mani, Shravani, Deepa. Okay, I'll give you a task today. What you will do? We have time anyhow, 20 minutes, right? I have created a file, right? You can go to remote desktop and you can see there is a file sitting here. This file, what is that file? Actuals. So here is your source is a flat file. Target is also flat file. Now what you will do? You need to send from source to target. Who want to share the screen, and every other can start helping the one who is doing on screen. Guys, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, Krishna.
Yes, Krishna.
Who is going to share the screen?
Krishna actually joined from my office laptop, that's why I can't share my screen.
Okay, I'll share my screen and
You understood the requirement, right? I already created a flat file and placed in the RDP system. I want to create you people to create one source data store, one target data store with file, and I want to create a task to pull the data from one file to other file. Mani, Prakash, Deepa, Shravani, do it together. If you say, the other person will be doing.
okay.
This is the first step of sending data from flat file to flat file. Complete this and let me know. I'll check them.
Rajmini, can you help?
Yeah, Deepa. Okay, you can share your screen. Deepa Shravani. Okay, Shravani. Yeah.
Actually, I didn't practice. So
Yeah, can you share your screen once?
yeah, I shared.
Can you go to CPI?
Money, it's not CPI, it's CIDS. CPI itself
Okay.
is another tool.
Yeah, okay.
I think I have to create from sample and do this. I don't know. Can someone help? Because I didn't practice.
Shravani, you have to select from scratch because
Already file is there, no? It's not like
yeah,
that.
we have created the file from scratch, right?
We have okay. We have to take it from sample.
From scratch. Yeah. You can give the name.
Transactional data, I'll do it like this.
Okay. So if the file is saved as .csv sample, then it will be column delimiter on comma delimiter only. Yeah, first row and yeah, click on OK. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So no. You have created that table, right? So we have to add the fields there. Yeah. Click on here. Add the fields that what we have created the table in scratch from the file that he created. You have to give the same
order
column.
ID.
Yeah.
Same name also.
It will not accept space. Yeah. It is better to give the same names and
Yes,
the
yes.
same data type with length.
Yes, I'm connecting to that actuals.
Okay. You have this edit symbol here after the plus. You can edit there. Yeah. Select and click on edit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you have created, right?
Yes, yes.
So similarly, how you have created, now you have created this for source, right? This flat file. So similarly, you have to create one for target with the same columns.
Okay. Again, from scratch also, I have to do the same thing.
Correct. Yeah. Give like some name with IBP, trans underscore IBP or something like that. Anything is fine.
I can't. I can pull the same fields.
No, you have to create here.
Again, I have to create the same.
You have to create the same fields.
Okay.
Okay, now you have created like source flat file and target flat file. So you can go to the projects now and create a task.
No need to create new project.
Yeah, new task you can create. However, we have a project creator. You just create a new task. Just click on the project. No, yeah. Oh, it is not coming. Yeah, now you can see create task. Yeah. Yeah. Give the name task.
Transactional to IBP.
Okay. You can remove the checkbox here. Use template and then go to next. Yeah. So
Here connect source.
the source. So it is
Yes,
there in the DS agent, right? Like our flat file is in the
yes,
DS
yes.
agent file, right? So yeah, select that. Click on next. Yeah. Again, click on next. Go down and click on next. Yeah. Here we have selected created a flat file, right?
Mm.
I mean, for
I think
target we have created one flat file. You given
yes,
trans
yes.
and where is it? Uh, that is also in DS agent file. Okay. Okay, add target object. Can you see the target object that you've created, target file you've created, right?
Yes.
You can select from here. Trans IBP, right? You have created the target file name. Is this the one or not? Do you remember what you created? Correct only?
I think that is. This is source.
Trans.
This is a source. This is a target.
Sure, right? Trans IBP is the.
Um,
Or else, if you want to go and recheck once, you can check. If you're sure, you can
I
go ahead and
can click on cancel and I can.
you can click on cancel and then go to data stores and check once. Like yeah, trans IBP only, right? Just check the columns once.
Yes, trans IBP only. This.
Okay, okay. You can again just go to
Yes.
projects and create the task.
The source
Source is what you've created.
flat file. This one. Trans.
Okay,
This
okay.
flat file
Okay.
is the source.
So whenever you yeah, now you can
These
see.
are source.
Okay, okay. Okay, then you can go ahead and create the task. Go to projects and then yeah, create task. Yeah, yeah, select it. Okay, just give one IVP one. Maybe I think that name is already taken. Okay, yeah. Next, yeah, DS agent file. Okay, next. Click on next once again. Go down. Yeah. Oh, DS agent file. Yeah.
It is source and we created that. Okay.
We will drag and drop, right? So
Okay.
target we will select.
Yes, yes, yes.
Here,
We need to select.
yes, yes. Save and define data flow. Yeah. So add target object. Select the target table here. That is trans IBP. Yeah. Trans IBP. Create data flow. Okay, data flow name just df underscore trans. Just that is enough. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now, yeah. Here select the source file. Trans FF. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now take a
Transform.
transform. Yeah, correct. Open the transform. Oh, you have to connect it. Yeah. Yeah. It move all the columns to output side. Yeah. Map by dragging columns from input is there. There you have to place. You can select all and also shift. That is correct. Your whatever you're doing. Yeah, correct. Yes, you connect transform one to target query. Yeah. Yes,
I
yes,
can
correct.
run. I can.
No, connect. You can check also. You can map to target query all the attributes, and we can check the data.
Target query.
See, if you can see, you have this option called auto map by name that will
Yes.
automatically map. Yeah, correct. Now you can go for view design time data and check if it is working. Yeah, open it. Yeah. Okay. Can you go to trace log once in that view design time data?
It is not only. It is not done. Sure.
Still running.
Yes.
Can you check once monitor log, Shravani? Okay, it's still running.
It is still.
Okay, the connection between the agencies are disconnected. There is a connection issue, but
We can run the task.
yeah, we can run in the task.
We can run the task.
Yeah, it's successful. You can run the task. Trans IBP1 correct. Run now.
This way.
Okay. Does it cannot open file? I mean, in the root directory we have placed the Excel file, right? Shravani? Krishna has placed the Excel file, the source file in the root directory or not?
No, actually we did from scratch, no?
No. I'm asking like when Krishna has created that file, I think he placed in the
It
root
is in
directory.
CSV only.
No. I'm not asking that. Just go to your drive, downloads drive. Go.
Okay.
Open it.
This one.
Close this one. Open your. Oh, this is not placed. Okay. Actuals he placed. That is the one, right?
Yes, actuals is the file.
This is placed in the root directory, right? Then why is it not opening? Can you just go and check in the file here the file manager is there, right?
File
Not here.
manager.
No. Here
Okay.
in the down, yeah, correct, that one.
Okay,
Uh,
downloads.
Go to data D, drive D. D.
Oh,
No, after connecting to RTA, we will get this one where we place the file in the root directory, right?
yes, but we are connecting to RDP, no?
So I'm asking, is that placed in the root directory, the file?
I have to check here.
No, not this, Shravani. I'm asking like the
Okay.
scratch file which Krishna has created, no, with PRD ID,
Yes,
customer ID, and
yes.
all. We did not place that in the root directory, right?
No, we didn't place it.
Okay, then we have to place it. So can you open that, like the root directory? Yeah, this one. Yeah, I'm
Yes,
asking about
yes.
it
Here
only.
we have to place it.
Yeah, here we have to keep the file.
I think that path should be copy and paste here.
No. We have to go to this location and place the file. That's why I asked you to open drive D and
Okay,
program files. And
okay,
once,
okay.
do you have program files here?
Yes, program files it is in.
If you're connected to RDP, automatically it will be shown.
Uh-huh. It is not
Krishna, are you
showing.
there?
What you
Hello.
people are doing without practicing? We are almost done with master data, and you don't know that flat file name should be the same what you are maintaining at the scratch when we are maintaining the file data from scratch. Go to the RDP file. What is the file name I have provided?
Yes.
What did you, the file name did you give in that while creating the file format? Is there any file format with the name trans_ff? Okay, guys, I am winding up the call here. Go through the old recordings, and I need to get this fixed by tomorrow. You people need to do this because we already multiple times we did this. So if you don't want me to do like this, I'll continue the classes from tomorrow. I'll not ask whether you practiced or not. If you want to practice, you can. If not, I'll just complete my training and close the sessions. Not an issue. So tomorrow let's connect at 11:30. If you wish to continue, you can just practice it by seeing the old recordings. If not, from tomorrow, uh, I'll carry forward with my updates, and you can just go through the class.
Okay, Krishna, we will practice. We will practice. Just give me one day, I will practice, Krishna.
Okay, guys, just practice those old recordings. From tomorrow, I'll just continue the class, and we'll try to close the sessions as soon as possible. And whether you people practice or not, I am leaving it for you. So already we are done with time today. Tomorrow let's connect sharply at 11:30. Tomorrow I will show how to do today what I have shared. Tomorrow I will show you what need to be done.
Okay, Krishna, but give some time, Krishna. I'll practice it now, Krishna.
You have 24 hours of time, Shravani. It's not.
Yes, yes.
So the thing is, this is not our old system. Like we cannot wait for like we cannot
No.
prolong the training. Actually, that is a problem. See, we got the system from other vendors. Within 30 days, they will close that uh,